These two blocks are put on the center form and 1R to bring it out to the SCR specs. I've got them just screwed onto the form and tapered in. This is John Edwards USCA Cruiser here. Getting the hardware put in it. Over here we got Carl Paulson's USCA Standard Class canoe. That's been stripped up and about ready to pull the staples out of it. I finished stripping it up this morning. This canoe has got a reinforcing strip, runs about 2 feet down either side of center, or about 3 feet I guess, maybe of either side of center along the gun line to reinforce it. This one's got 4-ounce S-glass on the outside and 4 on the inside. The inside's been doubled up in the bottom area. The front seat bracket mount for the slider has been doubled up on 4-ounce S-glass on the outside as well as doubled up on the inside.